Is 3,177 Donruss 6 guys 2015. Alright, Road Trail 1, Yag 5, Michael with 5, Bebop 2, Schmidt 2, Allure 1, and Jay Smooth with 10, Alberto Del Rio 3, and Matt with 3. Alright, guys. Alright, Savannah, I got you. Alright, Terry, I got you as well. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Alright, Jay Smooth, you're on top. Michael, you're on the bottom. Okay, 5 times and 5 times. Alright, group you guys together here. Let's see what we got. Alright, Alberto Del Rio, Bills, Bears, Niners, Allure, Broncos. Bebop, Texans, Rams. Smith, Panthers, Browns. Jag, Falcons, Lions, Yags, Chargers, Seahawks. Jay Smooth, Cards. Cards, Ravens, Bengals, Colts, Chiefs, Dolphins, Saints, Giants, Steelers, Titans. Matt, Packers, Vikings, Pats. Packers, Vikings, Patriots. Michael, Jets, Raiders, Eagles, Bucks, Skins. Road Trot with the Cowboys. Okay. Any trades, let me know. Playbook's done. Any trades, let me know. We got to figure out what box we're doing here. Any trades at Donruss 6, guys? I see 2 votes box, 2 votes box 3. So let me know which one you guys want to do. Gotta be in it to win it. Okay. Alright, let's see. Let's see, guys. Box 3, Terry? Alright, I'll go box 3. Nobody gave me a number but you, so box 3 it is. Alright, guys, up next, 3178 Mini, 3054 Playbook. Then Obsidian Baseball, another premium jersey you're working. Everybody's gotta stay woke. Gotta stay woke. Kendrell Thompson for the Raiders. Kendrell Thompson for the Oakland Raiders. Is Brady going to Oakland? Yeah, right. DJ Fluker for the Chargers. DJ Fluker for the Chargers. Byron Jones auto for the Cowboys. Las Vegas, you mean? Las Vegas Raiders. The Oakland Raiders. Yeah, that's right. I gotta change my spreadsheet to Las Vegas, and I gotta change the Chargers. Ooh, nice. Melvin Gordon rookie jersey auto for the Chargers. Melvin Gordon for the Chargers. Tuck rule. Yeah. Brady to the Raiders. Alright. Nice. Melvin Gordon and Fluker. Then we have Oakland and the boys. Alright, good stuff. Good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. Let me see. Alright, San Diego Chargers. Yeah, 14094. Good stuff, man. Oakland Raiders. Michael Jervis. And the boys. Road Trot. Alright, man, there you go. 5 times for the 5 times. Jay Smooth, guaranteed spot in the bonus break for buying 10 or more. Alright, see if anyone else is joining Jay Smooth. Once, twice, 3 times. 4 times, 5 times. And Jag. Alright, Jag and Jay Smooth. Both getting free spots. In the bonus break, 157. Alright. Number 3177. Donruss 6. Alright. Alright, 3177, $6. Okay. Alright, Gold Rush Mini's up next, guys. Gold Rush Mini from eBay. Stay tuned. Nice Melvin Gordon auto. Another S autos. The checklist is crazy in Donruss 6. 3 left in the case, guys. Stay tuned. Every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Be sure to join the Facebook group. I won't spaz your Facebook, though. If you want to join, go ahead. I'll accept it. And check us out on Instagram, PSportsCards24. Alright, guys. Thanks again. Have a good one. Gold Rush Mini up next. I have 2 boxes left. Go and pick box 1 or box 2.